Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with this Amazon human hair one. FYI, I only went to work today. I wasn't trying to look cute for nobody, you know what I'm saying? So I just put my hair back in a bun and kept it moving. So don't mind me. Anyway, so here's the bag it came in. It's from Amazon, okay? The name is hard to pronounce. It says Luaija. I don't know how to say that, but it's Luaija blue lace front wig. And here it is up close if you wanted to get it. Luaija. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not even gonna try. Okay, so look, inside it comes with the hair, of course. 22 inches, by the way. A wig cap, the old-fashioned kind. And it comes with this, but that one, I mean, it came with the old one, but whatever. And here's the edge comb. A band for when you're, but I mean, I ain't got time for instructions. I already know how to do everything. But if you don't, here you go. But I mean, the shorter, the more natural it looks. It's you can get whatever length you want, I'm sure. It kind of smells not as bad as they usually do, but it does have that human hair smell. Right, so look at the lace. It's like this. You can't even see where, well, a little bit. You can't really tell where my skin starts and the lace starts. With the elastic band on the back, two combs inside, one is on one side. And it's free parting. You don't get a lot of parting space, but you get a decent amount. You know what I'm saying? You can make it work. Okay, now it's a little wiggy, too wiggy for me. So with that said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you give me thumbs up and stay tuned to see me customize and then install. Okay, so I'm back with the install. First thing I'm gonna do is use some rubbing alcohol on my forehead. Okay, so I've done. The hair is good quality. It's not shedding right now. Maybe later on it will. I don't know, but for right now it's not. And it's real smooth. It's like not tangling. Yeah, it's not, the dye's not coming off on my hands or anything like that. And see how long it lasts. So with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.